Welcome to the Mitcham History Notes YouTube channel. Today's video I'm going to have a look at a newsreel on the British Pathe channel, simply titled Mitcham, aka Fireproof Paint 1939. The description of this video tells us what the video consists of. It doesn't say where in Mitcham it was. It runs for 47 seconds. Let's have a look at it.
Turn a blow lamp on a piece of wood, and I shouldn't be surprised if something's going to go. But when the damage caused by a blow lamp can be painted out with a brush, that's something new, and so it's news. Mr. Leach, the inventor, claims that his fireproof paint is really fireproof. To prove it, he takes a length of film, which is celluloid and so highly inflammable, dips one end in the paint and lights the other end. It burns all right until it reaches the paint. Paint his hands with this stuff, and even the bag of gold that Burglar Bill took out of the safe won't burn him. You want proof? There's the blow lamp. Mr. Leach is all hot inside, but a dose of paint cures that too. Will I try it? Thanks, I prefer 2 fingers and fill it up with soda.
Okay, now, there was a part there where a name was seen on a truck, on that truck over there. Let's change the speed. So we don't miss it. So it's going to go at quarter speed. Turn the sound off because, yep, there we go. Over here on the right hand side, Latha, quite likely M. Now I've got an entry in my blog about a company called Latham Brown and Company at 326 Western Road, paint and varnish. So if we look at an Ordnance Survey map from the 1950s, and the reason I use these maps is that they actually have building numbers on them. So there's 326. This is Western Road, Church Road. And the site today is occupied by the Chelsea Fields Industrial Estate. Now let's have a look at an aerial photograph on the Historic England website. There's quite a few photographs that they've taken around this industrial estate. And going back to what I said earlier on, there's the Western Road, and it's around there. Let's have a look at this photo. So the view is from the Western Road. And over here it says Latham's Varnish and Japan Works. And if we look behind these buildings, you can see here these vertical windows and possibly a yard, and that may well be these windows here and that yard. Well, that's my guess anyway. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this, press the like button. If you haven't already subscribed, please consider subscribing. Bye for now.